Next in Java, we are going to see anonymous object. So here we are creating our package, and we are naming it as demo10. And within this package, this is going to be our first class, and I'm giving it name test. This is our main class. So here is our package. This is our main class. Next, here we are going to create a class. Here I'm naming it as M2. Now, before doing this, first of all, we'll see what is anonymous objects. Whenever we create a program in Java which contains methods and variables, to access those methods and variables, we create referenced object like class name, object name equals to new, again class name. So this object is going to get stored on stack memory. With the help of this object, we can access those variables and methods. But suppose if we are using those objects only for once or twice or few number of times, then we don't need to create reference object. Instead of that, we can create anonymous object which gets stored on stack memory, sorry, heap memory. So here is our class M2, and within this class I'm creating variable integer A, B and C. These are our three instance variable which we have created in class M2. Now here I'm creating one method whose return type is void. Name of this method is getData, and within this method I'm going to take the value of these variables like A equals to, I'm giving 10, B equals to 20, here we have given the value of A and B, and here we are printing the value of A and B. Value of A and B equals to, we have to print the value of A, so plus operator, figure space in between, and then we have to give value of B, so again plus operator, and so this way we are going to print the value of A and B. And here within main class, generally we create object like this. Name of our class is M2. M2 object name is obj1 equals to new obj, sorry, class name here it should be M2. So here right now we have created this object. This object is not anonymous object, this is reference object. Now to access this method, we write obj1 dot, method name is getData, and when we run it, it is going to display the value of A and B. Now here we are going to use this, we are using this object only for once. So instead of creating object like this, we can create anonymous object which will get stored on heap memory. So to create that anonymous object, we have to do here it will be new, then class name, name of the class is M2 dot, then our method name. Save it. Now this is our anonymous object. Which will get stored on heap memory instead of stack memory. Save it and run it. So here it has printed the value of A and B as 10 and 20. So if we are creating reference object and using it only for once or twice or for few number of times to call some particular method, then instead of creating that reference object, we are going to create anonymous object. Reference object are stored on stack memory, and anonymous object gets stored on heap memory. Generally, we create normal objects like this: class name, object name, then new operator, and then this again this class name. With, and to create anonymous object, we have to give new operator, then this class name dot, then that method name.